Good everyone, Les here from BG Trading once again. Hope you are well. Today is 24th of June 2024, and the reason I'm putting together this video is because Cettire, ASX code CTT, has dropped about 50% today upon a reasonably positive result. And I wanted to discuss this because I think this is a stock that has been highly manipulated by the media and most important, by short traders. I'm still positive about this particular stock, and I think this is a very good opportunity at the low $1. Let's have a look. Just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice, just as from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, and much more using BGS 20 strategy, which chases 20 to 40% within 1 to 3 month time together with our VIP members. So if you like, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and also I'd like to invite you to become a member of our free Facebook community. We call that Buy, Grow, Sell Strategy for Share Traders. If it opens up. We post a lot of great quality content, including some stock analysis, some potential buying opportunities. This is the stock that we have been trading over the last 24 months. Has been very profitable. We did 3 trades of 35% profit, and we've been taking stop loss over the last trade as result of this so-called manipulation or bad media, sort of speaking. The company came up with a resolution regarding the problems that the market has been raising. First of all, was about taxes evasion in US. So they came up with some regulatory mendings, or they just quickly sorted out. And then also was an issue about potential being selling fake products on their website, and that issue also has been sorted out by the management. But I don't think there was an issue. The fact that was allegations of selling fake products on the website was fake news. We don't. There's no evidence showing anything like that, and the company did step up and said that. And mention that wasn't the case, that wasn't true. So this is one of our trades that we did there back in April 2023, and then also I'm pretty sure we have another trade here somewhere about CTT. Won't find it now, but we have multiple trades on that. Anyway, so let's take a look quickly on the stock analysis that we have put together a little while ago. And one of the reasons we like this company is because they keep improving not only growth but profitability as well year on year. If you could look at this. Net profit was adjusted in FY24, first half of FY24, and they have increased the net profit from $10 million on the first half of 2023 to $16 million on the first half of 24. That's one of our freshest results until this morning news. But let's take a look at what has triggered 40% sell-off. Is actually, in fact, this 48% sell-off today was the announcement about Cettire to be launched in China. They just launched the platform in Chinese for the Chinese market. And then also they came up with a recent update on its finances. However, I can tell you this. The margins has shrunk a little bit, but the company is still increasing all the key fundamental metrics that we want to look at. The sales revenue has increased. The adjusted EBITDA cash has also increased, and it's still growing. Obviously, the argument here is how sustainable is this growth? But the truth is. There's no material evidences that the company has actually stopped growing. In fact, entering into China market should, if they do well there, should bring a considerable growth rate for Cettire Limited. And just makes me think about that this is not only a stock that has been massively manipulated, but it's also a very, very compelling buying opportunity. Obviously, we are unable to find where the bottom for this particular stock is. We had one of our clients this morning, he mentioned that we could see CTT going down to 2022 lows, which the stock reached 30 cents. If that will be catastrophic. However, I just want to remind you here that if you go to the SX website, this is the stock that we looked before Gold Road, and then this is exactly what we want to look for Cettire Limited. So let's take a look if Cettire Limited has similar sort of compelling growth that we've been looking into other stocks for the key fundamental metrics. Let's take a look. So we go sx.com.au, let's type the code for the stock, and then let's wait for this to open up. Yeah, look at the sales growth. The revenue growth is huge, almost exponential. It's not exponential, but it's very, very consistent. It's huge. But most importantly, you wanna when I say that when this person says the stock went down to 30 cents, that's because the company was reporting almost $20 million loss. That's what happened back in 2022. Was reporting almost $20 million loss. But now what happened is the company is it's $15 million in net profit in 2023, and also is likely to reach $20 million plus net profit. And that's speculation. We need to have a confirmation, but that's our speculation based on the first half. And it's likely to bring very similar growth or even further for FY24. Now, how can in FY24 the stock be worth less than it was when it was actually a net loss position? So I can't understand that. And as based on our experience, of course, short term sometimes it will trigger a lot of stop losses, as well as example of this particular stock and many others. But over the mid to long term, and then look, we tend not to do long term trades here, but this one it's offering a very interesting opportunity here, and it makes me believe this stock is underpriced, provided that they start growing in China. It's extremely underpriced in comparison to previous financial year where the company was at a net loss, and it's likely to bounce back. The question is when it's gonna bounce back, but because we're looking at obviously short term all the time, but we're looking at the mid to long term on this one, just because we think this company offers excellent growth rate, and I think it's sustainable. I can argue other analysts that I think in this particular stock it is sustainable because the company has a not only competitive advantage on its almost like I would say like a drop shipping model, but not only sustainable not only sustainable competitive advantage of this one, in our opinion, as a result of not having inventory and just delivering capital efficiency growth and compelling risk reward, but also because the company is expanding into a beauty market. Beauty is one of the biggest industry in the world. And that is what I like this particular stock. It's not only fashion, but also beauty. And that is just recent news. We only saw that recently, and that will most likely bring further growth. And provided that we have interest rate cut in September or even earlier by the Fed, and this company is highly exposed to US market as well, then we could see the stock bouncing right quickly, and that's when we will see most like some short squeeze. So look, I'm burning my hand here for this particular stock. I think it's a good opportunity at the low $1. I could go under $1, could, but I think it will be a bounce right quickly. But we still need to see a monetary easing confirmation as well, which will will directly affect positively this particular stock. The chart looks terrible, to be honest, but 50% fall today on this particular company, provided that fundamentals are still improving. Come on, guys, it's no-brainer for me, at least at this price. But I'll let you make the decision. So if you're interested to have access to this stock analysis, I'm happy to share with you as well. Just ask, and I'm going to be putting the link at the comments if you ask. I'll send you the link, no problems with that. Overall, look, we're not using, there is strong support around $1. It could go under $1. Yes, it could. But I would be expecting a bounce at the current levels. I think there's value here, and I don't mind holding stock for longer than ideally I like to, if the fundamentals are strong, if the company has a favorable outlook, which I think this one has. Let us know what you think. If you don't agree, please put in the comments why you don't agree. I will be delighted to chat with you about this particular stock. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.